Where are you from?
Oh. I'm from the farm.
Eh.
Yes. Do I know you?
No. My name is Akina.
Uh-huh.
What is your name?
I'm called Dasana.
Dasana. Yeah, I like you.
Thank you.
Eh. Is that all? So what do you say?
Do I see? Can I help you or something?
Okay, so where is your house?
My house is just behind here.
Okay, so where will I see you again?
Maybe later. As you can see, I'm just from the farm and I'm very tired. I need to get some certain things fixed inside. So I'll see you later.
Hey, you see me later, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Am I not beautiful? The farm.
You are nice.
You
are nice. You are very nice. But yeah. Bye-bye.
My leg.
What is it?
My leg.
What is it?
Snake. Oh, my leg.
Be still.
What are you doing?
Be still. Please, be still. I have to suck out the poison before it spreads out. Please. Please try to sit down. Slowly. Please. Slowly. How is it now? Please try to stand up. Try to stand up. Try to stand up. Let's not forget. I want you to accompany me to a recess place.
To do what?
I want to give her these 2 bags of yam.
But you, pa, anytime you harvest your 2 bags of yam, all you think about is Marissa and her family.
Look, what is your problem?
Can't you say...
Look, listen. Are you accompanying me or not? Tell me.
No, what? I'm only advising you.
Are you accompanying me or not?
Me, what I'm saying was, you could have sell the yam and
I don't want your advice. Let's go. You are going. Let's go. Like, you talk too much. Let me tell you something. I don't even know why.
Why didn't you see me? Oh, you're not dodging.
Not dodging you. I'm not dodging you. I didn't actually see you. I'm on an errand with my friend.
So, have you thought about what I told you the other time?
What did you tell me?
I told you I like you.
Look, I told you the first time. The other day you met me. I told you that I'm not interested. Or didn't you get me? I'm not interested.
Oh no. You have to be interested now. What is it? See all that I have. See, those things. Haven't you seen them? Just look around the whole village. Will you see this type of things? Just look around the whole village. Have you seen it in this village? This type of things.
I told you that I'm not interested. You have them. Fine. I'm not interested. Please. I really want to do that. I'm never making a friend. So I suggest I just attend it so that maybe I'll see you later. Eh? You. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Dasana.
Bye-bye.
Dasana, you have to love me, yo. Dasana. Dasana.
Iman, what took you so long? But why are you wearing a sad face?
Oh, you don't know why I'm wearing a sad face. It's because of you.
What have I done?
Oh, what did you do wrong? See, you see your friend Dasana, eh? When he harvests, my friend Marissa and her family, they don't like anything, no. Yam, rice, what? Food stuff, everything. And you are here every day. That's all you know.
But I've been saving my farm produce to come and marry you.
Eh? Oh, okay. You are saving to come and marry me. So let me ask you a question. If I don't feed, how can I wait on you alive, eh? You expect me to starve and wait for you, or what? Eh? You stand there, don't start bringing food stuff and other things. I will go and find someone who can do that.
Has it gotten to that?
Oh, it's more than that.
Iman!
What?
Iman! Hey! Come here. Are you the one we're waiting for?
Yes, I have a job for you.
What kind of job?
See, there is a girl called Marissa. I want you to rape her and beat her mercilessly.
That will cost you a lot.
Don't worry, I'll pay. How much?
Pay 10 calories.
10 calories? Calories?
Yes.
But that is too much. After all, you are going to enjoy.
I don't want to teach us our job.
Okay, fine. I'll give you 6 calories.
Now you bring the 6 calories.
Okay, fine. You know what? I'll give you 3 calories for today. And when the job is done well, then I'll give you the rest of the 3 calories.
Make sure you pay up the rest when the job is done.
Don't worry now. Just do the job well. I'll give you.
Afternoon, my sons. How are you?
Fine.
Marissa, give them seats. Okay.
Oh, what's it to me? We just came to give this things out and get back. We are just from the farm.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, my son.
Welcome.
Thank you. God will bless you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let me take you.
Okay. So I'll see them.
You're welcome.
Hey. And what do you say about my proposal?
Your proposal? I'm still thinking about it.
How long are you going to think about this one?
Give me some time.
Some time. Okay. I will give you next tomorrow.
Okay, next tomorrow.
I'll be expecting.
Okay. Thank you very much for the stuff.
I thought you went to the farm this morning.
Yeah, I went.
Then where's the yam?
I told you that when I go, I'll collect them. But when I went, the yams weren't ready to be collected. So I decided to collect them tomorrow.
And when you came, you didn't tell me anything. You should have told me that earlier.
I've just decided to collect them tomorrow. I will
Okay,
collect
now
them
what
tomorrow.
are we having for lunch? Huh? Oh. Okay, go to Name's mother. Go to her and tell her that I said you should come to her for rice. So that I'll use that for lunch.
Ma, are you sure she'll be here?
She's there. She's in the house. I went there this morning. Hurry up and come.
I don't want to go there and she'll be like...
Hurry up and come. This boy.
What do you mean, why are you lucky? You don't see how the Sana takes care of you.
I've been telling you to always be patient. See, these fingers are
You sit there and be talking of patience. Which patience?
Very patient.
You are not in my shoes, that's why. If you were in my shoes, you won't be talking of patience. How are you?
Nagging and nagging. What will nagging wouldn't solve any problem. But you know it.
You sleep on an empty stomach for 4 days and let that useless man who calls himself my man.
But he says he's saving the money for you to come back. He's saying he saved the money to come and marry
Which
you.
money? So until then I should starve to death.
But will you die? You will die.
I don't blame you. Why won't you say that? How do you marry
I'm
someone?
so lucky he's not even spending the money on someone. See, he's saving to come and marry you.
I don't care, my sister. The money has to be spent on me.
Grandfather.
Food. How?
Hey.
Good afternoon. Marissa, how are you? I'm not here to sit. I just...
Are you sure?
Hey, man, I went to your house and your mother told me you were here.
And so?
Can I have a word with you?
Make it quick.
Marissa, I will see you.
Patience, okay?
It's not anything. You see, ever since we met at the bush, I've not heard from you.
Look, I have told you. If you can't take care of me, I'll find another person. Until you do that, don't even bother.
Please, Iman, you know I love you.
But so until then I should starve or what? You don't love someone empty like that. I have to eat and survive. Or you think all this flesh is for nothing?
I'm sorry. I've changed. And I'm changing for the best.
You better. Until I see the change, I have told you I'm going to look for someone else.
I promise I'll take very good care of you. Okay? Please forgive me.
Okay.
Am I forgiven?
Yes.
Don't worry. I want to go and see the sun.
Okay.
I'll come back and see you this evening. Okay? I wonder whether
whether she has passed this way.
Are you sure she even passed this road?
Because we've been sitting here for about 30 minutes now.
Oh.
We're waiting to see. To me, I believe she will pass this way.
I hope so.
For since that long time that we are waiting for her and then she's not coming.
Oh. Are you sure this girl even passed this road?
I hope so. I hope so. That is what I'm hoping.
Okay.
That is my hope.
Okay.
I think she's the one coming.
Oh.
Look at over there. I think she's the one coming.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you Marissa?
Yes, any problem? Leave me alone, leave me alone. Someone help me, leave me alone. Leave me alone, leave me alone.
Are you hurt? Are you sure? But where from these boys?
I don't know them.
Huh?
I don't know them.
Sometimes these boys, I don't know. What was really the problem? Gafara.
Oh, Marissa, my daughter, why? Why are you crying? And why are you looking so dirty? What happened to you? What have you done to my daughter?
Ma, he's not the one. Some guys tried to rape me on my
What?
room.
Where? How? Rape you? Oh, who are those hooligans? Where from they?
Honestly speaking, I've never seen them. I think they are from the nearby village.
Oh, are you sure? Oh, sorry. Thank you very much, my dear. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Where should I put them?
Yes, please drop them here.
Okay.
Go and have your bath. You are tired. Let me do it myself. Yes. Okay. Marissa, my daughter, come and sit down. I want to talk to you about something. I want to talk to you about the young man.
Which young man?
The young man who have been coming here.
Oh, the son.
Yes.
Mama, he's just my friend.
Are you sure you're just friends? Because he has been bringing us food stuff. He even brought some bush meat the other time.
You know I'm your mother, so tell me the truth.
Ma, he said he liked me. I mean, I didn't give him any answer.
Anyway, he's a good person. He has been bringing us food, styles, and I think he loves you. He's a good person.
He likes me. Okay, ma, if he says so.
Okay. That's just by the way. You go and set the fire so that I'll try and pin this yam fasting with you.
Talking to you. Come here. Come.
What? Abba, what? What?
Me, what? Don't you have respect for your elders? Huh? I'm talking to you and you're asking me what? You don't respect your elders, eh? Come here. Hi.
Don't touch me again, oh. Me, I'm trying to respect. Don't touch me again.
You are trying to respect me. And that is why I like you. Because I know you respect a lot. See, me, I like you. I like you very much. I want the two of us. Come close. You come close to me, and we'll tango.
Me?
Yes.
I swear.
Don't
I
swear.
don't even want you by me. Me.
Aye.
See, let me tell you something. Me, I don't want you.
You don't want me?
I don't want you. See.
Why?
You drink. 2, you don't even go to the bush for meat. Me, I don't want you. I swear I don't want you.
I drink. So you don't want to feel the aroma of my
I don't want.
mouth.
Let me tell you something. You see the fine boys in the village?
Do you know how many boys are chasing me? You don't know.
Boys chasing you.
No, somebody like
Boys
you.
chasing you. Run away from them. When they are chasing you, run from them and come
I
to
will
me.
grab them. Because I want them. And I don't want you.
You want them?
I want them.
I am doing you a favor by telling you to come close to me. Feel the aroma of my mouth. You are here telling me you want them. They are chasing you. You won't run from them. You are grabbing them. You are grabbing them. Come and grab somebody like me.
Me.
And leave those useless boys you are seeing.
See, one of the boys told me that he's going to give me bushmeat today.
Hey! Bushmeat!
So I don't have time to waste with
Bushmeat!
you.
Look, I am standing here. If you want elephant, I can get elephant for you. If you want the egg, I can get it for you. Why, my friend? Hey!
Why? I know you. You are lying. You are lazy. All what you know today is like drink.
Me?
It's only
Me?
drink.
Drink.
See.
I only drink because I want to look fresh.
Okay. See.
For you.
See. One, I know you don't have anything serious to talk me. You don't have anything serious to say to me, oh.
Hi.
So I'm just going to gather my things and go home. My mother is waiting for me. And this evening I'm going to collect my bushmeat from a fine boy, not somebody like you.
Me, I don't have anything to say to you. So what I'm telling you is not. It's nothing. You are even pushing me.
Hey, why won't I push you?
You pushed me. Go. Go and follow fine boys.
Me.
You soon come back to me. Idiot.
Marissa, or whatever you call yourself. If you don't know, I am telling you today, leave my boyfriend alone.
You hear? You hear? Stay away from our
Yes! You just shut up and listen to me. Wait, who is this one to? And why is she talking to you like that?
Are you Marissa? Or is it a packet lawyer have mouth you can talk for her?
Wait, who is talking?
Or is it you have mouth?
I dare tell her. Oh, wait. Will you park yourself somewhere? Who is talking to you?
Oh, okay.
And you don't mind these things. Let's go.
See nothing. Where are you going? If you don't know, and I get to see you with what will you do? What will you do? I swear. Wait. What will you do?
Be too small to contain.
What will you do?
What can you do? We'll beat her mercilessly. We'll beat her.
It will be over my dead body. You will beat my head. We shall see.
We shall see.
Yes, we shall see.
Okay, you just try it. Marissa, try it.
Wait. Where from you?
I'm waiting.
My sister.
You are not seeing me in this village.
Oh my
we are the champions.
Wait. We are the only five girls in this camp. You see, if I hold you, I can break you. Hey, what I'm telling you is that don't let me see you with Dasana. You will know what I will do to you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Next time.
We shall see. You are running your body all over my life. It doesn't even want you. Look ahead. I'm waiting for you. Nonsense.
Let's go.
Stupid girl.
This girl.
I swear, I have to teach this girl a lesson in this village.
What do you have to do with Akina?
Who is Akina?
You don't know Akina.
I don't know Sakina. Who is Sakina? Please tell me.
That busybody roaming all around the village, you don't know her.
Oh, that one. I don't really have anything doing with her.
You have something to do with her.
That one, she's been pestering me here and there, telling me she loves me, this. But I actually haven't given her any attention.
And she came around warning me. She came and told me to stay away from you.
I don't know what she's up to, please. But you know very well that you are the one that I love so much. Why are you disturbing yourself with her bodro? Huh? I love you so much. You are the one who lightens my day. You know.
If you see her, don't mind her.
Oh.
When you see her, don't mind her. Just pass.
Believe me when I say I don't have anything doing with her. I only have you and I have you here.
You better not have anything to do with her.
You know now. Give me a smile, please.
Don't mind her.
Don't mind her too. Look, if she's
to
disturbing you, don't just know very well that I have you here.
I love you.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
You know you are the only one that I love so much. My Marissa, my love, the one who brings sunshine to me.
My.
It's cool to have a beauty like you and be thinking about that riff-raff called, what's her name again?
Sakina.
Don't smile. I don't even know. It's now that I just got to know her name. Yeah, but you know what? I'm on an errand. My mom sent me to that woman around the village square.
So soon, you are leaving.
No, we are going to see. I will see you this very night.
Tonight?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Tonight I'll come out.
All right.
Don't keep me waiting.
Don't worry.
I'll
you know,
come here.
I'll be waiting.
Okay.
I'll be waiting. Take care of yourself.
Okay. Bye bye.
Titi. Thank you. Where are your mothers?
Baba, my mother has gone to the market, but my Dawana, I don't know where she is.
So they have left the cooking to you alone and left for the market. Fine. Get some water for me in the bathroom. I will attend the village square meeting tonight. Be in a haste.
How is the family?
Oh, the family are also doing fine.
Okay.
And how are you too?
I'm okay.
I can see you are doing well.
Good. So please, can I offer you some water?
You are most welcome.
Okay. Marissa, please bring some water for our visitor.
Okay.
Hey, so how are things going?
You know the rain fell as this.
Eh?
How is the farm this year? Thank you, my wife to me.
Mbafu saying, please, to what do we owe this visit?
Yeah, I've just come to remind you of your late husband's promise. He betrothed your daughter to become my future wife before he passed away.
Oh, I see. But you know my husband is no more. And I'm now in charge of her. And she also told me she has someone she wants to get married to. And I thought you knew about it, so now it's a strange thing you are telling me altogether.
Look, woman, lest you forget, your late husband fulfilled that promise before he passed away. And who are you to change that?
Okay. Les, you also need to be reminded that she's a fully grown woman and she has her right to make her decisions, and I need to respect that. So to cut things short, if you are saying she was betrothed to you, then she will have to come and then confirm it, whether to get married to you or to get married to the man she wants to get married to.
Then do that.
Okay. Marissa!
Ma.
Please come around.
Oh, welcome, my future wife.
Marissa. Mbafu says your father betrothed you to him to get married to him. And I already told him everything, but he insists he find out from you. So please tell him what's going on.
Me, I have someone I want to get married to. But Mbafu is old enough to be my father. I don't want him.
Please, did you hear her? I told you.
Look, woman, I will not take kindly to this insult. How can you allow your daughter to stand in front of you to use such words on me?
Mbafu said no one is insulting you. She hasn't insulted you. And she didn't even say anything insulting to you. So what's all this marriage and betrothed thing about?
So
where is it coming from?
I want to tell you, if anything befalls on you, don't begrudge me.
Oh, please. You can't come to my house and threaten me. Oh.
A word to the wise is enough.
Oh, please. What is that? How can you come to my house and start threatening me? Can you imagine this old man? You get married to your many wives, you say you can't even take care of them, and you've come to get married to my daughter again.
Me this small girl.
Oh,
Want to get married.
He's lying. He's lying. He can't do that.
Yeah? Sule, do you know what? Love is sweet. Sweeter than honey. Sweeter than banana. Sweeter than what again? Sugar cane. Sugar cane. And sweeter than what again? In fact, everything. Anything you can think is sweet on earth. Love is sweeter than that. I'm just from Boris's place. This girl, I don't know. In fact, what about Iman?
That one.
You are saying that one. Iman, and you are saying that one. The one that you told me.
Look, I'm even considering changing the girl.
Why?
She's too demanding.
Demanding? Demanding what from you? You can you?
Man. She complains of anything I do.
If you don't give her, why won't she complain?
It's too much, my friend. It's too much.
Let me tell you one thing. I'm a friend and a brother to you. Let me give you an advice. If you don't rape, sow, you won't rape. As we are farming, if you don't go and sow, you won't rape one day. So I beg you, sow and then rape one day. Can't you see what I'm doing to Marissa and her family? And when I'm doing that, you'll be there saying I should sell and save. Save for what?
I'm saving so that I can come and marry her.
How can you marry a girl who doesn't agree to?
And that is why she doesn't understand, like the way you don't understand me.
How? Look, my friend, let me tell you one thing. What are you going to do when you are saving your farm produce? What are you going to do?
She mentioned that.
Do that and you will see that she will start to appreciate you, love you, and in fact, even agree to marry you.
Ooh.
You understand?
Oh. I didn't.
Look.
She mentioned that the other day.
Yombe. Pasara yombe. Nachimba yombe.
I always tell you that you have to sow before you reap. Aha. Azundo. The career of news. In fact, the latest news.
High.
The career of news.
Hi, you are praising me.
Yes, I'm praising you.
You are praising me.
I'm praising you because you deserve it.
Thank you. I deserve it. What have I done for you and you are praising me? Hey!
You are my friend, and you know it. What is news? What is news?
What is news?
Yes.
I am your friend and you want the
best
latest
friend.
news.
The latest. in this community.
Latest news.
Latest news.
Anyway, because I like you,
Okay.
I will give you news.
Tell me.
I don't give news like that, but because I like you.
Look, you are my friend. You know,
I know.
it.
I'm your friend.
Uh-huh.
Because I like you, that is why I want
And
to
I
give
love you if you like me.
Listen to me very carefully.
I'm listening. I'm all ears.
If you don't stand up and fight for your right, you will lose what is important to you.
And what is it?
You are here tangling with this your friend. Always we are moving together. And somebody is trying to take your girlfriend away from you.
Who is that?
Who is that? You don't even know. No wonder you said I should give you the news. Hey!
Tell me.
Dasana, how can you be in this village without knowing anything? Did you come to this village yesterday?
Who is trying to take my...
Who is trying to take your girlfriend? Hey! So you don't know Mbefsheni?
I don't know. I don't know.
That man with tummy like drum. That man, his wife, worked to feed him. His daughter, Maltiti or whatever, she's as malnourished as something. I tried friending this girl refused. I don't even want her. I want to manage her because she's not my type. She's not my type. I am telling you, that man is an evil man. Everybody knows him in this village. And you are here, sitting down talking.
You just told me.
I am telling you.
What? Thank you very much.
Thank you for thanking me.
I thank you very much.
Yes, thank you for thanking me.
I will bring some tubers of yam to your place.
Please don't bring tubers of yam. I don't need tuber. I want pito. Get me some gallon of pito and I'll be happy with that.
I'm bringing it.
I know you can do it.
I will bring it.
I know, that is why I like you.
Expect it this very evening.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Yombe. Pasara Yombe.
The owner of news.
Nakimba
Career
Yombe.
of news.
Yombe.
May your
Yombe.
ancestors continue to bless you.
Pasara Yombe. Bless you too.
The most wicked man.
Yombe.
Career of news.
Yombe.
I'm so happy.
Yombe, be happy, my brother.
May our gods
Yombe.
bless you and continue to bless you.
Bless you too. Hey, Yombe.
Thank you. Did
Yombe.
I
Yombe.
least expected it.
Pasara Yombe.
I least expected it.
I don't know whether...
Yeah, this man. Why is he doing this way?
Look, let me get to the house. I would have to. Let me get to the house.
Let's go.
Get up. How are you?
Hey! Who am I seeing? Master of all evils. You. Let me tell you. Everything you have been doing in this village, I know it. I know everything. I know every move you make in this village. You walk about chasing small girls. Once you have wives and children at home, you won't stop that. Look at you, an old man with gray hair. You see, the one thing about this village is that when I see and I talk, they don't take me serious.
Hey, look, young man. Be careful.
Let me
what
tell
you are
you.
saying.
Listen, let me tell you, I am not afraid of this thing you are holding. I am not afraid of it. You can't do anything to me because you are following small girls. This thing will not work on me. It can't work. It can't work on me, let me tell you. How can you, an old man, be following small girls? You think I don't know you are following Marissa? You think I don't know? I know very well. Let me tell you, you better stop it. And go and take care of your wife and your children. And stop following small girls. Let me tell you. What is that? Leave these small girls for us to enjoy life. You are here. Your time has passed. It's now our time. Let us enjoy it. Why? Eh? You are even going. You are going. You come back and listen to wisdom. Let me give you wisdom. Look, there's a saying that the evil that men do lives after them. But in your case, the evil that you do will surely follow you to your grave because you are very wicked. You are wicked. I am here trying to even win your daughter and she's also there bluffing, thinking she's who. I don't give a shit. I will tell you if you want to go and die. Go and die. Go and die. I've said it. Nobody can catch me because that is my business. Go home and take care of your own business. That is your wife and children. I've said it and nobody can catch me. Because me, when I see the truth, I say it. People don't take me serious. Go. Go.
This can never happen. What the great man can do.
Nothing, please. Nothing is going to happen. You please. Let's.
Who did this? Show them. Show whosoever did this. They are only kids. They don't know. Don't be angry with them. I will kill if I will to appease you. Abesha black manya lemak puras black manya lemak betribun mu mentrembia cobe babe cepete. Abesha black manya lemak puras black manya lemak betribun mu mentrembia cobe babe cepete.
Gafara. Yes. Gafara.
You are welcome. Hey. Good evening.
Fine evening. Woman, I've come to warn you to keep your he-goat from my future wife.
What is the matter?
I say Marissa, her late father has betrothed her to me. And your son is trying to come in between us. I've come here to warn you to to tell your he-goat to stay away from my future wife. And woman, don't say I did not come here to warn you if any calamity befalls on him. I think you have heard me right.
Okay, I hear. When he comes, I'll talk to him.
Good. Better do that. I'm gone.
Woman! Marissa has committed a sacrilege. She has committed an abomination which can only be atoned by death. She is given 3 market days to present herself to the shrine for a sacrifice. You are warned. The gods has spoken. I said you are warned. The gods have spoken.
Marissa killed me. This girl. What has this girl done this time? Oh God. Marissa have killed me. She have killed me. I don't deserve this.
I have seen you. Stand here, let me talk to you. I have seen you. Look at you. Where are you going to? Eh? Where to?
Can't you see I'm holding a garawa?
You are holding Garwa. So what? You. I told you I love you and you are here misbehaving. Eh? You are here misbehaving.
Shut up.
I should shut up.
In fact, shut up. See,
Me?
I swear, I don't love you. See, the other time I told you I don't love you. I don't love you. I will never love you.
Hey!
Next time you see me, you call me again. I'll call my father.
You call your father? Don't call your father. Go and call the king. Who is your father? That useless one. Look, let me tell you something if you don't know. There's no young man who will love you in this village than me. I am telling you, I am the best choice for you. Because they don't like slim things. They like big things. And you are slim. Eh?
Slim.
You slim. Can't you see your waist? Your waist is very tiny. Nobody will love you. I am the only person who can love you because me, I am fat. Look at my waist, very broad. Like a wood. Stand there. Where are you going to? You look like a kulukuli. I am trying to maintain you. You are here stopping shit. No boy will love you in this village apart from me. I am the best choice for you. Don't you like this one? Come, I'll give you some. You are pushing me.
You are a foolish man.
Why wouldn't I be a foolish man? Because I am telling you the truth. Don't tell your father. Go and tell your auntie. Go and tell your auntie. Come and I'll inflate you. Eh? You are very tiny. You go and tell your father. Don't tell your father. Go and tell your auntie. Nonsense. You are very tiny. Come and I'll inflate you. You are here wasting time, wasting your own energy. Nonsense. Go and follow young boys, slim things. What will you get from them? They don't have anything. Their waists are very tiny. Look at me. Look at my tummy self. You can feel it. It's bouncing. Come and I would love you. Look at my waist. It's thick like wood. I have thick water inside and I can drop some for you to become plumbing. Idiot. You are going to tell your father. Let me tell you, this is a chisel warning. If you don't accept to my proposal, I'll wound you. Idiot. I am trying to inflate you and you are here fooling. Look, it's a warning I am giving to you. The next time you try this, you will see what I'll do to you. I told you I love you. Love me. Love me. And we'll stop this thing you are doing. You say you go and tell your father. Go and tell your auntie. This is what you've been doing every day. I meet you, I tell you I love you, and you stand there, you are insulting me with your tiny waist. Your legs are thin like bulbul. You don't know that one. Eh? See my leg.
My love. You are looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Can we go to our favorite place?
Yes, for you. That's all you think about all the time.
You know, after our last quarter at the forest, I have not, I miss you.
Okay. My father.
You did well that day. The day Miss Mbafushemi came to the house.
I don't mind himself, that man. Do you know the daughter?
I don't know her.
One big girl, my age mate, she's called Marissa. You don't know her. The daughter is of my age and he wants to marry her.
That man is highly impossible. I can't believe he actually came here asking for your hand in marriage.
Is it true, ma'am? Is it true that my father betrayed me?
He's lying. Your father never mentioned it to me before dying.
And did you hear what he said? We shall see.
What will you see? You can't do anything.
You don't mind himself.
Woman! You were born 3 market days to present your daughter at the shrine. 2 market days has gone. The gods are angry. Obey the gods or face the consequences of their wrath. Once again, you have been warned.
Oh, Marissa, you killed me. Let me see what you caused. This girl will kill me, God. Marissa, all I've done is to be a good mother to you. Look at what you brought to the house. What have I done to you? You want to kill me. You want to kill me. Oh, God. You want to kill me. What is this? Eh? What is this? I'm just a poor widow. What is this? I'm sorry.
My friend Marissa and her boyfriend Asana's case, it worries me.
It's serious, unless you were there the other day. Her mother was just crying. I was the only one there consoling her.
Hey, I pity that woman. I can just imagine the way she's feeling. But you, Kura, let me ask you a question. Imagine our places were traded today, no? And you had to sacrifice yourself for me. Would you have done it?
But the situation hasn't occurred.
Hey, that is not what I'm asking. I'm asking you a simple question. If we were in that situation, would you have sacrificed yourself?
Why are you speaking this way? Why are you speaking this way?
Oh.
Or you had wished for that mister?
Oh, I see. Would you have sacrificed yourself for me? Huh? See, you are stingy. You don't know how to take care of me. And the worst of it all is you don't even know how to love me. So what is your use at the end of the day? Huh?
This one is not about us. It's about our friends. Let's see how we are going to sort things and help them out. Okay? Are you angry?
That is all you know. Eh? So I see. Tell me something. So since we started dating until now, what has been your use? Tell me. What has been your use? What have you done for me? Tell me.
You've been crying since this thing started. And I've been telling you not to be crying. Why? Don't you believe me when I say nothing is going to happen to
The
you?
last time the person came to our house yesterday, he came again to warn us there's 11 market day. What are we going to do now?
Listen. I have thought of something. I'm going to see some of the elders so that together we'll go to the shrine. So that we'll find a way of sacrificing to appease the gods. I know very well that they wouldn't harm you.
You think that will work?
They wouldn't harm you. We didn't do it intentionally.
You think it's so?
No, everything is going to be alright.
Yeah, I don't want to die. I don't want to die.
You won't die. When I told you that you are not going to die, you are not going to die. All of us, we are their grandsons and granddaughters. And when I say this, how will a grandfather kill the granddaughter or the grandson? Just. You won't die. You are not going to die. Not as long as I'm alive. Oh? Stop crying. Huh?
Stop crying.
Look, I don't want to see any tears. On your cheeks. Smile now. Smile. Smile again.
Love so strange, so unfolding.
Good evening, my son. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine.
How is your mother?
She's doing well.
Hey. Your friend is inside. Do you want to see?
No. I came to see you.
I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem. There's something I wanted to discuss with you.
What is it? I hope you guys are not quarreling.
Far beyond that.
You are making me tense, my son. What is it?
I don't know how to say this to you.
Talk to me, my son. You are making me feel uneasy here. What is it? Did something happen to your mother?
No. It's about your son.
What about him?
Are you aware he's going to sacrifice himself?
Sacrifice? Himself?
Yes. He's going to sacrifice himself. Because of Marissa.
Bori who? Marissa?
Marissa.
Hey! I hope you are not serious, my son. Hey! 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 Wait! Hey! This boy will kill me. Hey! That's Anna who killed me. Wait.
Ma, what is it?
That's Anna.
What is it?
I beg you, please. I beg you.
What is it? Please tell me. Sit.
You are my only hope.
What is it? Huh? What is it? Huh?
After your father is dead, you are my only company. Please, I beg you.
What is it?
Don't sacrifice yourself. She's not worth your life, please.
Sit. It's not how you think it is. Sit, let me tell you. Please be patient, please.
Hey!
Oh.
I want to die.
Please, Mama, sit and let me tell you. Sit.
Hey!
Don't
I beg you.
Sit. Stop crying. Huh? You know you are tormenting me. If I see you crying this way, you just kill me like that. Be patient. Let me tell you what's up. You see, it isn't that. Listen first, though. This you are doing, you are just going to kill yourself.
I'm listening.
I beg you, it is not the way you think. I actually took her to the shrine, and in the process, we broke the pot. Listen, please stop crying. And the consequence for that is to pay with my life. I took her to the shrine.
But you didn't break it. Where the one who broke it? Yeah?
I took her to the shrine.
It doesn't matter.
Please.
It's not worth that.
Mama, look.
Hey.
Look, Mama, please. It's not.
I beg you.
Please, Mama.
You are my only hope, my son. Please. I beg you. Please. Hey.
You have come to present yourself. Apia peto. Kotoku bote. Kalantanga mekulun chongi. Apia peto. Kotoku bote. Kalantanga mekulun chongi. Good. Now, you are done. Good. Now, the next 3 days, you present yourself at the market square. Go! 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 Yes.
Gods of our land, I come before you as I was created.
What is going through, okay? Please.
Hey.
Oh God. It's painful. No. But please.
Hey. Hey. Sana. That's Sana.
Please.
Hey. That's Sana. That's Sana.
Don't worry. Okay.
Hey.
Don't worry.
Hey. That's Sana.
God is in control, okay? God is in control. Please, take heart. Take heart.
Hey. That's Sana.
It's the only friend I have.
Hey.
But let's Oh God.
That's Sana.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey.
It's okay. Please. Take heart. Okay.
That's Sana.
Please.
Hey.
Take care of me.
Don't worry. I am there for you, okay?
Hey.
I'm there for you.
Hey,
I'll take care
that's
of you,
Sana,
okay?
Ooh. Hey.
Not by power, not by man. With God it shall cover everything. Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you want. Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you like.
Quiet! Quiet! Today is the day for the sacrifice. This young man has committed a sacrilege. And that is going to be sacrificed to the God. And this is to show the signal and lesson to all of you in this community. Yes! He's going to be sacrificed to the gods. No man, do you have anything to say before your death? I bet you come on,
Hey, my good friend. Hey, Dasana. Hey, I will not cry. I will cry. I will cry. Because I know you are innocent. Hey, these elders of our village connived to finish you. Don't worry, my brother. Don't worry. I am always by your side. Even as you are going, I will still be by your side. Yes, I will be by your side. Hey, hey, hey.
Shut up!
Hey.
Who dare you challenge the boss? The great Papa Kirby. Who dare you?
Hey, do you have gods? This village, we don't have gods anymore. Because you are all fake. Fake. I don't fear any of you. With this injustice you are about to commit, I don't fear any of you. You are all fake. Hey, my good friend. Hey, hey, hey. Don't worry, my friend. I am by your side. Don't worry. I am by your side all the time. Even if you go, I will still be by your side.
Quiet! Now it's your turn to join your ancestors. Kemana lemah? Ompras dia. Kemana lemah? Betul nemu momentum dia. Coba pak, bercuci putih. Abek sebek kemana lemah? Ompras dia kemana lemah? Betul nemu momentum dia. Coba pak, bercuci putih.
The gods of the land are angry. Stop the abomination you are about to commit. You have failed the gods as the mouthpiece of the gods, and you shall face the consequences.
It's through me. I bribed him.
What brings you here?
I heard Marissa and Dasana came to the shrine and broke a pot.
Oh yes. They came and broke a pot here. But God has forgiven them.
My priest, I'm here to connect with you. For you to kill the stand so that it will look like the gods are
The great Papa Kirby. My good friend, how will I kill Dasana when it was Marissa who broke the pot?
I know. If you accuse Marissa for her to be used as the sacrifice, I know the Dasana will power.
You are wise, like the gods.
My priest, yes. By the way, I've got a small present for you to do the job for me. There are greater things to come after this job is done.
Akribi, you've heard him.
So,
good. Thank you very much. The gods have heard you, and they will surely do whatever you desire. So please tie the goats and the fowl behind here for me.
thank you, my prince.
The great Akribi. Black man, on plus black man.
Forgive me!
I said it. This is an injustice. But they wouldn't listen. You see? You call yourself a chief priest. Look at your head. And look at this above saying. I told you, take care of your wife and your children. You said you want small girls. Look at how your life has ended miserably. Eh? You see? Hey, Dasana. Good luck. I know you're a good man. And I know you can take care of that girl very well. Do all your best and take care of her. This idiot. Hey!
Papa, Papa.
Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you want. Because the power is in your hands. You think you can do what you like.
Ooh. Hey, I'm all alone.
God is there.
Hey,
Which God? God will take care of
which
everything.
God? Hey.
Ma.
Take care of
Ma.
Dasana. Hey. Is that you?
Ma.
What happened?
Dasana.
Hey, my son. My son, oh.
Ma.
Hey, my son. My son.
Vanity is to vanity. You lied against the gods. Remember the evil. You sow waste what you surely reap. The gods are angry. Your selfish interest will not take you anywhere. Marissa and Dasana, blessed by the gods. The truth will be
So, when you hear action, you scream. Now,
that's the name of your answer. The sand, DAGBANI, the sand.
The sand they bad my face.
It's okay.
You have shot me. Now I will die.
Let's start the song. So you push you go get around the where he is, where they are. You characters. Huh?
No, that's not.
No, right now we are picking behind it.
Yeah, going.
This 90.
Let's go.
So that 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Action.
Action. Woman! You were daughter at the market.
Say at the market square.
At the market square. Okay. You were warned to present your daughter to the market shrine. What is it? I'm a market shrine. This is perfect behind the scenes. You are warned to present your daughter to the market shrine. Take it.
Okay.
A cappella. You were warned to present your daughter in 3 market days. Why?
Hey, Grisco. Today you're taking the title from me.
Action.
The bulls are hungry.
Go.
Wait, get them to money.
Please take water.
Give water.
When you're very on phone. All right, silence.
All right.
Action.
Heart.
love, so strange, so unfolding. That was just...
Yes.
Strange, so strange, so unfolding. It's always unfolding.
You know, you can't tell.
It just came to my head, so I didn't want to forget.
Let's go. You've done well.
I hope you will keep it so that
That is
if
a
I call,
and then you keep the rap.
How you feeling it? Tamale, this your man. Big flesh, biggest boss in the man.
But the first attention, one, what's it then?
B13, and my boys, I look the boys, kinda hard, G unit, don't soft too bunny.
Women now, one so the me as
Piro, azonto, pipiro, azonto, piro, azonto, pipiro, azonto, move your body, azonto, why your body, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, piro, azonto, pipiro, azonto, move your body, azonto, why your body, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, wami ya wawo. Hey, if you play this beat, I go dance like a ballon, 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 ballon. Hey, hey, if you play this beat, I go dance like a ballon, 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 ballon. If you play this beat, I go dance like a ballon, 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 ballon. Hey. One watenka, wobla, wamia, one watenka, wobla, jamia, bambu walla, ba, wamia, bawar chantoni, Maria, bawar labri nyanga, bamia, tikto da kana di chanya, dead body da kana di chanya, halim shake it, di chanya, du mawari nyela, asonto, 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 are you feeling it? Are you liking it? Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, what? I bought it, I told her, aha, didn't I yasum kasa, yeah, flesh on the mic, kala, piro, azonto, pipiro, azonto, piro, azonto, pipiro, azonto, move your body, azonto, why your body, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, piro, azonto, pipiro, azonto, move your body, azonto, why your body, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, wami ya wawo, azonto, wami ya wawo.
Then Chamo was a day said that hiding for them about young folk. In those days, I see a for them.
Where are the clothes?
You are talking like you are also a character. Yeah? Bitch, your fate, it's all I gotta say. See this little nigga, money anyway. Until I Guns around
my mama make for me.
Nice ride.
Make my hair for me.
Ingredients now. It's heavy. Let me.
That's not a dick.
Come.
You see, When you
Let me
leave the
hold.
gym that way,
Hey, then wear it at your waist and put the belt.
No.
Yes. Sweetheart, pose. I want it to hold it.
You don't bring your waist like.
Oh, Sid, where's the phone?
Yeah, she's coming out with it.
I'm going to record something. She'll be the record. The wine up in my phone.
Okay.